So now that we've set up default storage bins with our items here, what can we do with this information? Next, we're going to review purchase orders, manufacturing orders, and sales orders, and see how this information is translated to those documents to help us be more efficient in our warehouse operations. So let's jump into a purchase order and take a look at what a PDF template looks like now that we have our default storage bins applied. Once we have a purchase order open and we go to our print icon, we now have a put away list. So this can be used when we receive a purchase order in and everything needs to get put away. We can print out a list similar to this, showing where does everything go and what is their assigned storage bin location. Currently, if a PDF template is printed out with a list of multiple items, it's going to be sorted by storage bin. This will be an ascending value so that hopefully it will be a reasonable path throughout your facility to put these items away. Next, we'll jump over to a manufacturing order. Once in a manufacturing order, we're going to have something similar to the put away list, but rather in this one, it'll be a pick list for the ingredients needed to produce the product. Clicking into the pick list with storage location info, we see that in the final column, again, sorted in ascending value, we have the default storage bin for the ingredients that we need to produce our final product, along with the quantity as well. And finally, if we jump over into a sales order, we can take a look at the final pick list, which will be where the final products that we're shipping out stored within our facility. Clicking print and looking at the packing list with tracing data, we'll pull up again the default storage bin in the final column, sorted in ascending value, list the quantity, and the products that we need to pick for this particular sales order. So those are some ways that we can use the default storage bins to help efficiency in our warehouse location. Along with the PDF templates being able to be edited, we can also access those storage bin locations via API if you'd like to add, edit, or delete those. Keep an eye out for more videos and more releases. Thank you for taking some time to review the storage bins today, and have a great day, and we'll see you next time.